welcome back to Mrs. Bluxlife, and we're gonna open, we're gonna open it because I'm meeting my cousin today. She's going to get a Juliet 38, so I'm gonna open this before I go do my hair and everything to show y'all. And I need the tag off of here so I can get it hot stamped. I didn't hot stamp it the other day, but I got this because I tried it on when I got that Houston hot stamp about 3 weeks ago, or a month ago or something, at another mall, and I tried this on in navy blue, but they didn't have black. But I had been looking at this since the summer because I wanted something comparable to something else that I have. So let's open it. And now it's on sale. I came out of Ross on the last vault, and I got in the car and I checked my emails, and it said up to 40% off at Coach. And I took that as, come see what we got. Come see something that you may have on your wish list is available and on sale. Here we are. Here we are. This is the North Tote 32. That's what this is. So, let's open it. Y'all know, Coach, they're awesome packaging, but I want it black with the gold hardware. Here's the tag. I need this, so I'll go ahead and show y'all that. It's a black tag. It's a black Coach tag. Let's see. The regular price is $2.95. It's on sale right now for $2.06, I think. I'll put it somewhere on here. But this is what I wanted. I wanted an all leather tote. I was worried a little bit about this, but I said once the bag drops and everything, the corners should be okay. You see it has that signature C gold hardware. The threading is like a gray color because I didn't notice that until she brought it out. And I was like, are you sure this is the right bag? But it's the right bag. It's the black one. But this is the one I end up getting. No feet. But it's okay because ain't nothing we can do about it. But let me take the protector off. Oh, let me stand up, y'all. Take the protector off. Take stuffing out. The inside is a suede. I don't know if it's a microfiber or anything. I'll have to just put the information on the site. I mean, a picture somewhere on here. But, and then did y'all see they sell little pouches, like the Neverfull comes with a pouch. They sell pouches to go inside the Brooklyn. The Brooklyn 39 from what they told me. I think it's $75. What? You don't want to sit down somewhere. But if somebody buy it, to each their own. We're not judging people, y'all. We let people do what they do. So this is the interior. It's that beautiful golden honey, like a honey brown. It looks like suede. It looks like suede. That's what it looks like. I don't have the light on, y'all, sorry, because I didn't like how it kept shining. But that's how it is. It has one big zip pocket that has a double zip on it. One big old pocket. And that's it. Let me push this back. Okay. I think that is perfect. I think that is so awesome. Let me see. I'm going to push this down a little so y'all can see it more. I think that is so awesome. And I love the straps. I hate my Neverfull straps, like seriously. But these straps feel very comfy. They're thick. And it's a nice all leather tote. So I think that is awesome. I think that fits good. Nice for every day, for travel, everything. So I'm going to take this off because I'm going to go get it hot stamped today. I don't know what I'm going to get on it, but that's how the tag looks. It's just the black, just a regular black Coach tag with the gold. I'm guessing gold because the C is gold. I guess it goes on this side. I don't know, like that. But that's what I got, guys. That's what I got. So yeah, sorry it's so fast. I have to go and get ready to go meet my cousin. I'm supposed to meet her because she bought let me sit down. She bought 2 tabbies that were on sale at Macy's, and then she was like, but they have the Juliet 38 at the store. She has the Juliet 26, I think, in black. She was like, I really, really like the 38. She went on, bought the tabby, and then she texted me last night. She was like, the tabby's not doing it. I want that Juliet 38. So I'm going with her today to try it on, look at it, see what she thinks about it, and that's that. But I am loving this, y'all. I'm loving this. Leather is my thing. I love something in leather. And after getting that camo tote, let me see. I'm gonna compare it to the Neverfull. Now this is the Neverfull, and this is the, look at that. They about wasn't what. But this one is like 10% of the cost of this one. It comes in navy, I think a white, and then this black. So now I did think about the navy, but black is just my thing. Easy peasy, easy peasy. So I think it is gorgeous. That leather, these straps are amazing. These straps, and then that peep of color in the inside, yeah. But very comparable. I'll have to do a comparison video in a few weeks. Probably a few weeks, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. No need of me telling a fib. But yeah, I'm gonna have to see. I probably could put that Houston tag on here also. But it is so cute, y'all. If y'all feel this leather, and I'm terrified of glove tan. I don't think this is glove tan because it doesn't feel, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to figure out what the leather is. I'll put all the information somewhere on the screen. But look at that. 206. Perfect. So I love it. I'm excited. And it's so simple. Simple. Oh, knocked myself out. Simple C for Coach. Yeah, it is nice. This is how the back looks. It's just plain. It's a plain back. So yeah, I think it is nice. I am loving it. I'm excited. So that's what I unboxed, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't hit the subscribe button. And y'all see that? Travel Agents Rock. I'm doing amazing with Carnival. Right now is the week of Thanksgiving. I have a group out there. I have a couple people out there. I was supposed to go, but after my husband with the surgery and everything last year, we had to postpone it and change our time. So we'll be going either early 2025 or sometime next year, or if not by the end of this year. But yeah, I'm excited about the group that's on there. A lot of them are first timers. They are having an amazing time. Before I got on here, I was on the phone with one. They just got to Cozumel, and I'm excited. I don't know. Sales was my thing years ago. So I'm not a pushy agent. I just tell people, you know, you can't go till you know. Can't say you don't like something until you try it at least one time. So a lot of my people have become from first time to avid cruisers, so, or travelers, period. So I do cruises, but I also do land-based resorts and everything, but I prefer to do cruises because it's just a easier thing to pitch to tell you, because most resorts I haven't been on. I've been on a lot of the cruises, so I can tell you more about them. So, but enough about travel. Y'all can check the sale out at Coach right now. They have up to 40% off on a lot of things. So I love this tote. I'm excited about this tote, and I'm going to get it hot stamped today. And I'll take some pictures at the store today of some other items there just to give y'all some eye candy. And that's it, y'all. So thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit the free subscribe button. Like I said, the free subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, I'll see y'all probably tomorrow. Peace.